YouTube, what is going on? My name is Ryan. If you're new here, I own a clothing brand called NewBara. We just got in 3 new samples from our manufacturer for what's going to be releasing at the end of December or early January. Just kind of depends on as soon, how quick I can get it, how quick I can get the content for it, and just kind of things like that. So without further ado, without wasting any of y'all's time, let me show y'all what we got. First up, I'm gonna show y'all we got a camo hoodie in. Camo hoodies have been like trending for a minute now. We're a little bit, we made the cut, okay? We're here, we got it now. So look, this is it. This is gonna be the front. And then we got this little logo right here. Apologies for the warm lighting on this stuff, but that's really just all we got to work with right now. So boom, got that little logo. This is actually gonna end up being 2 stripes instead of the 3. I'm not trying to get any type of cease and desist or copyright stuff from Adidas or anything like that. I know there's other brands that are doing the 3 stripes, but this is just a sample. This is not for sale. So look, they made this before we switched over our tags. Like we already had the sample like in the works basically. So look, it still has the old tag on it. This is what the old tags look like. The new tags are so much cleaner. Let me show y'all real quick. Boom. So look, these are the new tags right here. I literally was just wearing this. I had to take it off for the video. But yeah, so look, that tag is so much more cleaner. Nice yellow tag. We're using that on like all of our new product for the time being. Just kind of to like, basically it's for fall winter 24 and maybe for spring summer. But yeah, let me stop yapping and try on this hoodie. The back is completely blank, or it's not blank, it's camo. There's like no design or anything like that other than the camo though. But yeah, so look, this is I think it was a medium. All right, yeah, this is a medium. Had to go and like kind of show myself, see what it was. But yeah, look, it's a pretty good fit for a medium hoodie. I've been rocking mediums. I think I've told y'all that. Like, this is the hood. Block out my eyes if I want to. Get real covered up if I want to. I mean, hey, look, that's just like when you're really trying to be comfortable, get cozy, and block some stuff out. So yeah, this is probably like one of my favorite new hoodies. I'm about to be wearing this like crazy. Super clean hoodie, okay? So look, then, hold on. All right, so look, I had to tilt the camera down a little bit, show y'all the pants. Boom. Boom. Just put them over these. So look, here's the pants. I feel like y'all are kind of at an angle. All right, so here's the pants. Super clean, a little bit big, but that's kind of how they're supposed to be. They're supposed to be a little bit baggy. Like, you can't tell me these aren't fire. So look, you got the matching logo here, and then you got 2 back pockets right here. Like, good size pockets too. So if you want to put your phone back there or whatever the case may be, I'll show y'all that real quick. Boom, little phone in the back pocket. Basically covers the whole thing. Fit your phone right here in this pocket. Basically goes all the way in. It does go all the way in. And if you put your hoodie in the front or phone in the hoodie pocket, boom, like it fits. So, and these right here, we're gonna be changing these over to an orange. They're gonna be an orange string. I think that just will match and kind of give overall the same like aesthetic and vibe. I think that'll help a lot. And then of course, I'm gonna show y'all the inside of the hoodie. Look at how fuzzy that is. The fuzziness on this hoodie is absolutely crazy. I really hope y'all can tell. But this is like the softest material we've dropped yet. But yeah, let me take these off because I got another pair of pants to show y'all. Look, here again, how fuzzy that is. Hold on, before we get to the other pants, let me show y'all the bottoms. They are hemmed at the bottom, so it's just a little string. But yeah, they are like sewn at the bottom, so you don't got to worry about none of that overhang, nothing like that if you don't want it. But yeah, super comfortable, nice camo print on these all over. And then of course, like I said, that logo right there. The colors may be a little bit wonky just because I'm using, or because I have like warm lighting on in the background. But here is the second pair of pants, my favorite pants that I've made ever. I'm really debating on putting a logo here or keeping it plain. I really don't know what the best option is. If I do put a logo, it's probably gonna be the same one right here, just like right here or something. But yeah, nah, these are crazy. Look at the sides, like literally you get to see the inside cut of the pants, the drawstrings, long drawstrings of course. And then you get right here on the waistline and it's like got that there too. Like these are absolutely fire. Pockets, boom, boom. Front pockets as well. The pockets and everything are the same sizes of the other ones. The only thing about these pants is, I mean, of course they're gray. They're super soft. They got this on the outsides, on all the seams. But yeah, no, they're super baggy, super nice. Good winter attire for sure. I mean, hey, winter lasts all the way until like March in some areas. I mean, maybe even longer, I don't know. But yeah, that's these. And then I'm gonna show y'all the bottom right here. So look, we got the bottoms. So these aren't gonna be sewed, they're gonna be like a fray. So they can kind of be like altered to however you want, honestly. Like if you need to cut these, if you need to literally just cut these right here, all the way across in an even line, to make them a little bit shorter for yourself, you could definitely do that. I wouldn't recommend it unless you need to do it. I would just recommend getting your true to size. But yeah, look at the inside of these, so soft, comfortable. Like these are mad crazy. But yeah, right now I'm about to take this stuff to like the little offices in my apartment. That way I can like get a full measurement on all of this stuff. Like I have measurements, but I just gotta go confirm it, all that good stuff, and get any final details worked out on these before we put them into production, because I'm gonna be sending that list over tonight. So if you want to get these, I highly recommend signing up to our email list on our website. I'll put a link down in the description. That way you can get all of the notifications, all that good stuff. If you want access to my suppliers or anything like that, send me a DM on Instagram. I'm happy to help you out and get to working with y'all. But yeah, other than that, I'm about to go measure these out and make sure everything is good. But let me know what your favorite piece was, the hoodie, the pants, the set, or the gray sweatpants. But other than that, I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.